Namaskar. I welcome you once again to Tulsi's Poetry Corner with another poem of mine from Towards a Touch Supreme. The poem is titled A Soul Need. We usually speak of material needs and material prosperity and things like that in this world. But it so happens that there is a soul need too. The inner being aspires for certain things, and it strives to find some sort of harmony in outside life also. So I would better read the poem, and I think so, I don't know, it depends on how you understand a poem, even if it is penned by you. So it is about the soul's need to find compatibility, to be able to communicate and things like that. So a soul need. Word has the power. Word has the power to descend into the soul and raise a consciousness towards peaks of beauty's bliss. So it's about when a dialogue is like that, when communication is like that. So two souls, two people can indeed enrich each other. Words have the knack too of moving on subtly layered tracks, parallel or crisscross, through tunnels dead-ended or open, to stagnate or scatter or glide to and fro. A dialogue is not always possible between two minds. But maybe they stay intact in a massive chip, able to connect with the spirit when it leaves the body and travels to unknown skies. There must be an eternal truth in the cycle of universal law. It must find a place marked in eternity, in movement and fixity. There ever exists relativity, apparent and veiled. The higher consciousness into emptiness grows. It merges with infinity. It receives the voice of the unknown with growing peace and silence enriched. It receives the voice of the unknown with growing peace and silence enriched. Even then, the soul pines for harmonious human compatibility on earth. Even then, the soul pines for harmonious human compatibility on earth. Thank you very much.